Let me show you one more very nice tire pressure sensor activating tool. It will trigger or excite or activate your tire pressure sensors in your C6. This is an ATEQ tool, ATEQ, happens to be the VT50 model. And let's see, we can turn the tool on. I hope we can see the screen okay. It says to select a vehicle. And I've got it on Chevrolet, if you can see that. And then it says to start the procedure. I'm going to just interrogate a couple of sensors I have here. This is an old original 05 sensor that can be triggered magnetically as well as with the tool. And so let me push the start button, and you may notice TX means it's transmitting, and it's doing step 1 of 4 right now. Now it's on step 2 of 4. I think it's trying to figure out how to communicate with the sensor, what protocol to use. Our C6 sensors use a simple continuous wave transmission. Now it's doing step 3 of 4. And now it's complete. It says the little pass light is illuminated, and if you can read the screen, it says Chevrolet, and then it has 8 numbers on the top left, 04040153. That happens to be the exact same numbers that are on this sensor here. Well, that is the sensor ID number that was transmitted out into the air, because I don't have the car in alert mode. If the car were in alert mode, it would have registered that sensor at whatever position of the car that we were doing at the time. The left front would be the first one registered, and the right front, right rear, left rear. It also shows that there's 0.6 psi. Should be 0, but I guess there's a little inaccuracy in the sensor, and it says ready, and in the bottom right 315 megahertz, which is the frequency that the sensors transmit to the TPMS on in the car. The tool transmits on a 125 kilohertz, a very low frequency. Let's do the same thing on this other current C6 sensor. Oops, the thing timed out. It starts at step 3 if you have already done a sensor, and it goes much more quickly. Let's see, there's Chevrolet, and it says start. So it's starting on step 1 again. If you were just going to another sensor right after having checked 1, then it would start at step 3, and it would trigger the sensor almost immediately. Step 2. Step 3. And it says, I got a little vibration in this thing. It says pass, and again it has the sensor ID number 02687542. That's the individual unique ID number of this serial number of this sensor. 0.4 psi and 315 megahertz. Let me go down here to my C6. I've got one of those square sensors in here. You can see perhaps that it's starting on step 3. And already I got a little vibration, a little buzz, and it says pass. You can see it's one of those 0405 serial ID number. Starts with a 04, which is like this square sensor. That's what's in my car. It can be triggered magnetically. So that's just a look at another type of a tire sensor tool. If you had the car in alert mode, you could start at the left front, go to the right front, right rear, left rear, and program all the sensors using this tool. Like the screen, it shows 32.26 psi. Get a very accurate display of your tire pressure without even taking the valve stem cap off of the your valve stem. Check all your tire pressures very easily and quickly. Yeah, let's look at this ATEQ tool.